Hey, let me show you all touch sensors controls that you can use on the JBL Vibe Beam. So as you can see, we can find the gestures for the left and the right one, and it actually works the same for the both of them. So let's start, for example, with the right one. We've got single tap to play and a pause, double tap to turn next track, triple tap to turn previous track, tap and hold to activate voice assistant. And for the call controls, with the double tap, we can answer or hang up calls. And we can also tap and hold to reject incoming call, or when we are on the call, we can mute and unmute the microphone. For the left one, when you go right here and tap on this arrow, we can also customize it, for example, for the volume control. So now we'll be able to volume up or volume down, or for example, switch between the ambient sound modes. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.